Ayan. So for today's vlog, we are going to take our Munjaro. Char? See? Nakakaloka. Tapos ito. Ayan. So our Munjaro is, ito nagamit ko na siya. So I have already used up one pen. Ayun, nag-retract na yung pen because I have already used this. So I used this already. Wala na, hindi na siya malalock kasi naggamit na siya. So yun na siya, ganyan na siya. So now this is just and now I really have, and now I still have a lot. A lot. So meron pa ako nito. Look. I still have more. I have more Munjaro. Yeah, that I'm going to use for the next few months or weeks. For now, after injection, so this Munjaro is like it's going to be taken once a week. Once a week po siya. Ayan. So, dahil once a week siya, select a specific day na yung matatandaan ninyo. Ako today is Sunday. Diba? Sunday. So, dahil today is Sunday, mas matatandaan ko yung araw na na nag-take ako ng dose ko. Sunday. Ewan ko ba? So, na anong feeling? My feeling is the feeling is mutual. No. Wala lang. The feeling is mutual. Wala. Pero dun kung saan ako nag-injection, dun sa may tiyan ko, parang parang medyo mabigat. Hindi ko alam kung parang mabigat or heavy. Yung dito sa may tiyan ko, parang nafe-feel mo lang din yung bigat. Siguro dahil kasi may medication, di ba? Oo, so, ayan na nga po guys. I will update you on our next injection of Munjaro. I will update you kung ano yung mga feeling, mga side effects, or whatever. I will update you guys kung anong feeling na hindi ka nagugutom. Yun da yung side effect eh. You will not get nag-iba na yung panlasa ko, girl. I'm having a difficulty in nag-iba na yung lasa ko, te. Ba't may ganon? Totoo ba yun? Nag-iiba na yung panlasa ko. Oh my gosh. Parang hindi na masarap ang food. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ako makakakain ng ilang araw or wala akong ganang kumain, oh my God, papayat na talaga ako. Is that true? Well, I really hope that's going to be true, and good luck to me. And good luck to our Monjaro journey. This is the first day, Sunday, January 25. So right now, I am 90 kilos. God. Oo. 90 kilos po tayo. Mm-mm. Yun yung nakita ko sa aking, yun yung nakita ko sa ating, weighing scale. Yeah, we are 90 kilos. And so, we will find out what what is the side effect, what are the side effects, anong feeling kung nagugutom or magugutom ba tayo. We will see, okay? So thank you so much everyone and bye! Okay, so here. Ayan. So, meron tayong Monjaro. Ayan, titi yan, oo. Pluk. Ipluk natin. Oh my God. Papayat na ako. Okay na. So, this is 12 p.m. Sunday. Dapat 12 pag Sunday ulit. Sunday ka nag-take, Sunday ka ulit sa susunod. Parang ganon, like once a week. So once a week siya. Once a week. Ayan, nagamit ko na siya, oh. Ganon lang yun. Once a week. So, kung Sunday ngayon, next Sunday ulit. Okay. So, there you go. Yun lang. Bye. Hindi siya masakit. Akala ko masakit. Hindi siya masakit.